Hello YouTube, I'm Akshay Chauhan and welcome to the 7th tutorial of Python series. In this video we are going to learn about complex decision making statements. In this video we are going to learn about else if or elif and nested if and or statements. So let's start. Let's say we got in situation that if we need to enter an input, like let's say answer is equal to input enter day of the week. Let's say user will enter a numeric like 1 2 3 4 5 or 6, and the program have to tell which day of the week it is. So let's start. Answer is equal to input and let's say if answer is equal to 1, then colon print. Let's say first day of week is Sunday. Enter. And now we will type L if answer is equal to 2, then print Sunday, Monday. Similarly, let's make the whole program. I have cut it in the video to save the time. So here I type elif answer. If answer is 2, then print Monday. If answer is 3, then print Tuesday. If answer is 4, print 5. And now let's try to run it. What happens? Save and F5. Enter the day of week. Let's say 2. It's Monday. And let's now try typing 7. It's Saturday. Now let's take an example. What if user inputs 8? Let's say user inputs 8, nothing. So we need to tell the user that he is entering the correct option. So we will type else print wrong input, please enter between 1 to 7. So if there is anything except 1 to 7, program will show an error. Let's check out. Let's try 23. Wrong input, please enter between 1 to 7. So this is about else if, and now let's move on. Now we will know about and. So we will know about this statement. So let's start. So what is and? Like if we want to say that if I won an lottery, let me clear you that if there is a lottery and I won a lottery and I won a first prize. Like if there is a lottery, there are two conditions. First, if I wait a second, if I win a lottery, this is first condition, and second condition is if I win first prize, PRI prize. So these are the two conditions, that if I win a lottery and if I win first prize, means these both conditions must be correct. If these both conditions are correct, then the program will print, bro, you are millionaire. Millionaire. If the spelling is correct, I'm not sure. So this is what we are going to do. let's make a program. Let's say we won lottery, loadable trey lottery equal to true. Yeah, we won lottery. I'm using boolean to explain this, as this will save our time. And we want first prize is equal to true, capital T. So these both conditions are true, and then now let's check if won lottery and first prize print bro, you are millionaire now, boom. Print, I'll leave it. So let's test it. Control S, F5. The second first price is not defined. Let me check my spellings. FIRST. Okay, is equal to. So bro, you are millionaire now. Now what if the user didn't won the first prize? He won the lottery, but he didn't won the first prize. Let's make it false. False. It's not false. It's false. Let's save and run it. Nothing happens. So if let's say if this is true, if this is false and this is true, then also we will see that no output. Let me make it in chart and explain to you. If both conditions are true, then the output will be true. If one condition is true, first condition is true and second condition is false, then the whole condition will be true or false. It will be false. And if first condition is false and second is true, then also statement will be false. And if both conditions are false, then naturally statement will be false. So this was about AND. Now let's move on to our next section of the video. Now we will discuss about OR. So what does OR do? Let's say if it's Sunday or it's Saturday, we can take rest. Means if it's Sunday or if it's Saturday, we can have rest, else we have to go to work. Let's make this program. If Saturday is equal to true, capital T, and Sunday is equal to true, if Saturday or Sunday, print bro, you can have rest. Yeah, finally. Now let's try to combine else with it. Else print wake up dude, you need to go to work. So now let's try to run our program. Boom. Wait a sec. Did you notice I forgot to put colon here? Now let's try to run. Again an error. Oh yeah, and another very common error, space error. So now let's test. Bro, you can have rest, as Saturday and Sunday are true. Now let's say if Saturday is true but Sunday is false. Now let's try to run. Then also the statement is correct. And if both are false, oh, wake up dude, you need to go to work. So let me chart this. So if first condition is true and second condition is true, then the statement is true. If first condition is true, second is false, then the statement is true. If first condition is false, second is true, then it is true. If first is false, second is also false, only then the statement is false. So in OR, where there are T's, T's and T's, the answer would be true. So that was about OR. Now let's move on to our next session of the video. Now in this section we will learn about combining multiple ands ands and ors. So let's move. Let's say if if month is equal to September, or month is equal to let's say April, APR April, or month equal to June, then print this month contain 30 days. Let's try. First we need to define month is equal to, let's say month is equal to April. Let's try to run F5. Yeah, this month contains 30 days. Now let's say the month is January. Control S, F5. Boom, no answer. So this was the way of combining multiple ORs. We can add a number of ORs according to our needs. Now let's try combining multiple ANDs. Let's take an example like country is equal to, let's say my country India, and if I got credit card is equal to true. Now let's try if country is equal to India and credit card print, you got free benefits. Oh, free benefits for Indian credit card users. Now let's try if it's work or not. Yeah, you got free benefits. Now let's say if the country is, let's say Canada. Oh, no benefit for Canadians, I'm sorry. Let's say the country is India itself and the guy do not have credit card. No benefits for him, I'm sorry dude. Now this was about combining multiple ANDs and ORs. Now in next section of the video we are going to combine multiple ands and multiple ors with each other. Now for this, let's say, let me first clear it. Now we will combine and or with each other. Yeah, so let's say in this, let's say same I will do the card example. Let's say country is India and credit card is equal to true, and let's say if country, no, let's say if credit card and country is equal to India, or country is equal to Canada, 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 then print cheese, you got free benefits. I do not know what benefits they are talking about, but they got free benefits. Let's try to run this program. Boom, cheese got free benefits. Now here let's see, if country is India and credit card is true, then the person got free benefits. Now let's say if the country is Canada, now let's try to run it. Boom, Canadians too got free benefits. Now here's a twist. Let's try to turn the credit card off false. Now let's see what happens. Credit card, cheese, you got free benefits. How can this be possible? Let me resize it. Yeah. If you see here, how can it be possible that country is Canada and credit card is false, but the if statement is printing this? Did you saw that error anywhere? Anyone can guess? Let me explain you. See here. Let me first clear all. Yeah. If we did 8 plus 2 into 5 is equal to, what do you think the answer would be? Hmm? Yeah, it's 18. It's 18. Why not? It is 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 10 5 is the 500. Why it is not 500? 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 into 5 is equal to 500. Why it is not 500? Why we know that it's 18? Both mass, right? So same logic is here. Here and statement has more preference than or statement. So and statement runs first. But here in this there is nothing about preference, but if we see, the program compares in between these twos. There are no parentheses. We need to use parentheses. Let me explain. Let me write parentheses, then we will know. Credit card. Put the countries in parentheses. So first this will be compared and then this will be compared. Now let's try to run it. F5. Oh, no benefits. So this was about combining multiple ands and ors with each other. So in this section we are going to talk about nested if. nested if statement. So let's start. Let's say if it's Monday, then it's coffee time. Print it's coffee time. And let's say he checks the coffee container, and its coffee container is empty. If coffee container is equal to false, print go to supermarket to buy some coffee. Ooh. Else print enjoy your coffee. 21 minutes tutorial. I am really tired. I recorded 3 tutorials today non-stop. So let's see what this. Let me first define. Uh, yeah, Monday is equal to true. Yes, Monday is true. Now let's say coffee container is true. True means it's full. Let's try to run it. Error coffee container is equal to the time. Yeah, let's try to run it. It's coffee time. Go to supermarket to buy some coffee, then enjoy your coffee. Now let's say if coffee container is empty. Let's say false. It's coffee time. Enjoy your coffee. Do you understand the concept? Let me explain. First, Monday was true. Yeah, Monday is true. Monday is true in both cases. That means it's coffee time. Then the person checks that if there is some coffee in coffee container or not. If not, here coffee container is true. Means coffee container true means it's empty. So coffee container is if coffee container is empty, then go to supermarket. In second case, coffee container was false, mean it was full. So it directly prints enjoy your coffee. So that's about a nested if statement. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like, share and comment. Thank you. Video is not pausing.